Hello, what's up, guys? This is African Programmer. Welcome to your fourth tutorial on how to develop Android applications with HTML. So, guys, let's do this. All right, cool. Okay, let's do this. First thing I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna open my Dreamweaver. Where is it? Where are you, sweetheart? All right, Dreamweaver. So I'm just gonna say dream about me. Okay, Dreamweaver. Then I'm just gonna open my Dreamweaver. In Dreamweaver, this is where I'm going to create my application, my just dummy application. After I'm done creating my application, then I'm just gonna transfer it to Eclipse. After I'm done, I transfer it to Eclipse. Then it'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna say more. Say page from sample. Then I'm just gonna click on mobile startups. Then I'm just going to click on jQuery Mobile with theme. Then jQuery Mobile, this doesn't have a theme, so this doesn't. This one works online, so you'll be needing you need internet access for that. But I'm just gonna use the local and the doc tab. I'm just gonna use HTML5. Then I'm just gonna say create. Let's just wait for it. So if I use Dreamweaver, if I click on jQuery, it creates a dummy. It's create a sample of the application, so it just gives you some page 1, page 2, page 3. Let's just see it in a browser. I think first of all I'm just going to save this. I think I'm just going to save this on the desktop, so I'm just going to say new. I'm just going to call it app, and on this one I'm just going to click on HTML. I'm just going to give it a name called index. I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to copy all the jQuery mobile files. Let's say copy. So it's copied everything inside. So let's just test this, and let me show you how the sample will be like. So it gives you this page 1, page 2, and it gives you page 3 and page 4. So this is more like a sample that it creates for you, so that you could use. So we're just gonna play around on this sample. So okay, so I'll say page 1. Just gonna write about us. Yes, us. All right, about us. Yes, about me and my baby. Right. Okay, about us. Then I'm just gonna say about us. Then I'm just gonna say services. Then I'm just gonna say, and this is a name. This is another name for another. So this is more like the menu of the app. So services. Then I'm just gonna say contact us. I'm not gonna create something that's complicated. So it's gonna be our home, and it's gonna be say app. So on this page 2, this was page 2. I'm just gonna write, give it a name, a header of about us, and on the content, I'm just gonna write about us. I'm just gonna write we offer free online programming lessons. Then on the footer I'm just gonna write at app. About us. After about us, this was what? Services. Up, then services. I'm just gonna write our services about. It's okay. Sorry, I was supposed to write this. So it's supposed to come here. bring it here. In this part, I'm just gonna say Fusion. Just gonna write trace 1,000,000 programmers in Africa by 2020. So on contact, then I'm just going to type in. If you check by next week, I'll be done with the jQuery tutorials, so you can check them out, the jQuery tutorials. So I'm working something with the guys from jQuery, so I haven't really got much information yet. But if you check by next week, about my jQuery, the jQuery tutorials will be on my channel. Say contact us, then I'm just gonna give you my phone number, just in case you wanna call me. It's +263 773 323 267. That's my phone number. So you can just call me, buzz me, you just say hi, so we could talk. Alright. So okay, contact us, then you're just gonna say it up. So I'm just gonna save this. After I've saved this, I'm just gonna test this and see how it runs. Firefox. So this is more like just create a menu. This is our home and this is about us. We click on about us, goes to the vision, click on services, goes to offer free programming lessons. Contact us, gives you a little bit of information on contact us. Then after that, when it's done, an idea just popped in my head. I think I'm just gonna work on it after I'm done with this. All right, then I'm just save this. So after we're done with this, I'm not gonna add any info to anything. I'm just gonna create something just simple. So I'm just gonna minimize this. After I'm done minimizing this, I'm just gonna open my eclipse. I hope it's still gonna take some time opening. So I'm just gonna open my eclipse. This is where we're heading to creating the file and all. Just wait for it. Alright. I miss my girlfriend. If you check the time, I think it's around 20 past 1 right now. It's crazy. I'm saying that. It's really crazy. But I love her so much. She's my blessing. Alright. Let's just wait for it. Let's wait for it. But I think I'm gonna call her after this. I miss her so much. Do you wanna know her name? I'm not gonna tell you. Alright. Let's do this. I've opened my eclipse. Then I'm just gonna click on you. And I'm just gonna click on other. Then I'm just gonna create on Android project from existing code. So click on next. Then I'm just gonna head into my desktop where I save that file, that app. Then I'm just gonna click on the file from the Dreamweaver app. Then I'm just gonna click on OK. Click on OK. Then just gonna copy. It's just a workspace. Oh, sorry. Then Then after you're done with this, you just have to extract your phone game. So I'm just gonna extract my phone game. Open my phone game. Then I'm just going to the lib. Then Android. Then just gonna have to click on example. Then you have to copy the folder inside the Android code example. Copy it on your desktop. Then just gonna paste it. Then I want you to just rename it to app. So it's going to make to my app. After you rename it to my app, there's some files that you created in from where we created the dreamweaver site. I want you to copy all the files. Copy. Then I want you to click on the file that you extracted the example, the one you renamed the example. Then I want you to go and click inside and just click on assets. Then you notice that you see all these files. Then I want you to remove the index. Then I'm just going to paste these files. After you've pasted these files, you'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna minimize this. Then I'm gonna head in straight to my Eclipse. I'm just gonna click on new, say other, then say project from existing code. I'm just gonna click on next. Then I'm just gonna browse. Then I'm just gonna direct it to my desktop. Then I'm just gonna say my app. This one, I'm saying okay. Then I say copy project into workspace. So that's it. Then I'm just gonna click on finish. Okay. So I'm gonna click on finish. So it's now loading. For now, don't mind this error. We'll work on it. I'm just gonna show you the steps how to do it. Still loading. Okay, it's fine. So these are the files. So if you click on the assets in www, you see the files that we created, the .index.html, the one we copied into the file. So I'm just gonna click on this file, this main file. I'm just gonna try to build this so you can get rid of some errors. So right there, it's done. So I'm just gonna click on this. Is the one we created, the application we created in Dreamweaver, and contact us, and done. So this is our application that we created. So right now I'm just gonna go into the folder, to the main folder. I'm just gonna right click and I'm just gonna click as run as Android application. So after it's done that with that, just gonna click on the folder. Then you click on sorry, mouse is acting up. Click on bin. Then you figure that inside the bin you find the APK. So it already created the APK for you, so you can just test it on your phone. You can just test it on your phone. Right now I've got a better camera. I would have showed you what kind of application on a mobile phone. But as for you, if you just build it, if you just say run this application, then you see you can test it on your mobile phone and run this application. So guys, this is what all about. This is the tutorial on how to create an Android application using HTML. So if you have any other questions or anything that you'd like to add in or something like that, you can just leave a comment or any of my social media accounts, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. So my email address is not already running. Facebook, also on WhatsApp. The number that I show you, you can use it as my WhatsApp number. So guys, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in my final tutorial where about doing the Q&A. So guys, thanks guys for watching. Love you.